Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and play Geometry Dash on your PC for free. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser. It can be Google Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type BlueStacks and hit enter. Look for the official BlueStacks website in the search results and click on it. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a big download button. Click it to start downloading BlueStacks. This software is an Android emulator, which means it lets you run Android apps like Geometry Dash right on your PC. When the download is finished, go to your Downloads folder, open the installer file, and install it. Once BlueStacks is installed, open it up. You'll need to sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store. If you don't have a Google account, you can easily create one for free. After signing in, let BlueStacks finish setting up. You'll then see the home screen. Now it's time to download Geometry Dash. On the BlueStacks home screen, find the Google Play Store and open it. In the search bar, type Geometry Dash, and press Enter. Once you see the game, click Install to download and install it. Click Install to download and install it. After the installation is done, go back to the BlueStacks home screen. You'll see the Geometry Dash icon ready to go. Just click on it and you're all set. Now you can play Geometry Dash for free on your PC. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to tweak.